YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use support, resistance and trend lines. So, what is a trend line? If we have identified our trend, let's say it's an uptrend, you can see the market is making higher highs and higher lows. When the market is making higher highs and higher lows, we can come up with a conclusion and say the market is a bullish market. When the market is bullish, the market is buying. So when it's buying, we identify a tilted horizontal line, which will be our support, and a tilted horizontal line, which will be our resistance. Okay, so let's identify. We join all our higher highs. After joining all our higher highs, we have come up with a resistance line. Now, we have to join our higher lows. After joining our higher lows, we have successfully drawn a trend line. This is a trend. When the market is trending, it's like what can I call it? There's an indecision between buyers and sellers. When the market is buying, sellers are strong. They're trying to push the market back down. So now, when using the support and resistance line, or the trend line or trend channel, whatever you call it, so this is what we do. In this trend, we can see this is a bullish trend. If the market is bullish, what do you expect? When the market breaks our resistance line, if the market breaks it, going in the direction of the trend, we call it a continuation pattern. But when the market goes against that trend, goes like back down, if it's a bullish trend and goes upwards, that's a reversal pattern. And when the market is bearish and it breaks our support, it becomes a reversal pattern. Yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, so this is our reversal pattern. There are a lot of patterns which you should learn, like the double top, head and shoulders, inverted triangle, the diamond. Yeah, but later in my channel I'll be teaching you those things. So now, let me show you the difference between a ranging market and a trending market. First of all, let me show you what a trending market is. We say a market is trending only if the market is going in a certain direction, if it's going upwards or downwards. As you can see in this example, the market is trending upwards. Yeah, I've shown you how to draw the trend line. You join the higher lows and the higher highs. So that's our trend channel. In this trend channel, it is bearish since it's going up. When the market is like this, we say the market is trending. The market can trend in either two directions, bullish or bearish. This is a bullish trend. When the market is trending in a bullish direction, in a bearish direction, this is how it looks like. As we can see, the market continues going downward. So now, in a downward trend, we join the lower lows and the higher lows to form our trend channel, or just trend. We join our lower lows and our higher lows. So now, that's a downtrend for those who didn't know. So the difference between a downtrend and an uptrend. In an uptrend, the market is making higher highs and higher lows. And in a downtrend, the market is making lower lows and higher lows. It's pretty straightforward, nothing complicated. So now, here's the other market, the ranging market. In the ranging market, we only have a horizontal support and horizontal resistance. As you can see in this example I'm making, the market is trending between two lines. It's not breaking either of them. Some of you, if you're new, you may call it a sideways trend. Those ones, when the market is trending, we usually call them uptrend or downtrend. Yeah, like you know. So now, this is a sideways trend. So in a sideways trend, the market isn't making any higher highs, higher lows. Every high is the same and every low is the same. So that's when we say the market is ranging, trading sideways. You understand? So now, I'm pretty sure you now know the difference between a ranging market and a trending market. Another example, you are not supposed to only use trend channels when trading or trend lines. There's another way. You can use your support as a resistance. In this example, you can see it's an uptrend. Straight uptrend. Yeah, an uptrend. But if I try to use my higher highs and higher lows, yeah, it might still work. But there's another way in which you can trade this trend. It's very obvious. As you can see, when the market was trending up, it created a resistance. Then, when it went back up, it created another higher high, as you can see, and it exceeded our resistance. It broke through our resistance. So now, this higher high is our new resistance. Let's mount there. So now, as we can see, our resistance from our first higher high became a support for our next higher high. So as you can see in this example, our resistance becomes our support. Look at the next one. Our next higher high In our next higher high, you can see our previous resistance line became our support, and in the following one. So what I'm saying is that there are multiple ways to trade a trending market, unlike the ranging market. Even in this one, you can still use the trend channels. So let me show you the problem with ranging markets. In a ranging market, there can be patterns inside the ranging market. Maybe some of you are still new into trading, so you don't know them well. Let me show you an example. As you can see, the market will be trending inside our ranging market, goes up, hits our resistance, comes back down, and there's a consolidation period. Maybe some of y'all haven't learned this thing yet, but I want you to understand better. As you can see, the market has had, in the middle of the ranging market, there was a consolidation period. Some of us, further in when you're trading, you learn about these things: chart patterns, how to use demand and supply, the Fibonacci. But for now, since one of you requested this video, in my next video I think I will be doing supply and demand. Let's see. As you can see in this example, the market has a strong level here. As you can see, it couldn't break through that line. And this one. So now, what do we call this? Further in our lessons, I will teach you how to identify these patterns. This is a descending triangle. In a descending triangle, you can easily identify a profit target, your risk, and those things. But for now, I'm simply teaching you how to trade this simple chart. Let me just place that. As you can see, in any triangle, when you trade a triangle, the distance from where the triangle began and where the triangle ended will be your profit target. So in other words, this is your profit target. Yeah. That's our profit target. So if you're looking to make a big move, this will help you out a lot. So now in this topic, I've shown you how to identify a trending market, ranging market, how to draw support and resistance line. So I'm going to make another example where we'll apply all three. So this is our chart. It started off trending upwards, then later on broke through, started ranging for some time, ranging, after ranging, broke through, retest, and continues trending downward. So first of all, we are going to identify our higher highs and higher lows. So in this market, these are our higher highs and these are our higher lows. Let me mark there. These are our higher lows. Forgive me for the microphone problem. I'll upgrade soon. I'm using a mobile device to record this, so yeah, the quality is going to be bad, but as long as you understand what's going on in this video. So now we've successfully identified our trend. So that's our first trend. We can see that the market is trending up. After it trends up, we can see it broke through our resistance line of this trend. So that's an uptrend. We have successfully identified it, and we can also use another way to identify the uptrend, the one where your support becomes your resistance or your resistance becomes your support. As you can see, our support is turning into our resistance. So this is an uptrend, a clear, perfect uptrend. We have identified that. So that's our uptrend. We could have made some small profit and things like that. In my next video, I'll be showing you the profit target and things like that. For now, I'm just showing you the basics, simply how to draw trend lines and things like that. Okay, so that's our first one. We saw that it broke through. After it broke through, we can see that the market is ranging. There is a support and resistance line. These are key levels. These are the key levels we have identified in this uptrend. So now, as we can see, this was an uptrend. Then it started ranging in that uptrend. So now we have identified a ranging market. This is the ranging market, and this is our uptrend. So this ranging market is very obvious. When the price broke through, that was our profit target. It went back, retested, and continued. So those are the basics of trading. Those are the basics. So now I'm using the Euro USD to show you how. Let me move to a real chart where it's a bit more obvious. We can actually see what I'm talking about. This is our chart, Euro USD, and you look for an obvious uptrend or a ranging market. And by the way, we don't trade any We don't trade any choppy markets like this. This is a choppy market. You should always avoid trading these. You're going to take a big loss. Okay? Yeah. Let me go back to the uptrend or the downtrend. As you can see, this is a perfect example of our uptrend, of our downtrend, bullish trend. Let's mark our key resistance levels. Key resistance. These are our key resistance levels. We have marked them. So now, in this trend, it's very obvious. We can see that the price went up. After going up, went down, hit our previous support and turned into a resistance, went back down. Then we used that support as our new resistance, then went back down. As you can see, it's a very obvious trend, something like that. So yeah, nothing complicated and straightforward. So yeah, that's how you trade the market. And in my other example, let me show you using trend lines. Use our higher lows and our higher highs, lower lows, higher lows and higher highs. So yeah, that's our downtrend. A short ranging market. Don't be confused by the square I'm using. You can still use the ones I showed you. This is our support. This is our resistance. Yeah. So that's it about supporting resistance. If this video helped you, can you please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Thank you.